Good afternoon, everyone. It's Sunday, March 3rd, and it is a beautiful 60-some degree day here in Lehigh Gorge State Park. And I'm out here for another special edition of filming the Lehigh Gorge Scenic Railway. Why? Because we have diesel locomotive number 2023 leading it for the first time this weekend. 2023 usually pulls the weekend excursion trains from Pittston to Jim Thorpe and back. But given that we're not running those trips in March, what better opportunity than now to bring 2023 to Lehigh Gorge for everybody to enjoy? So our first catch of the train today is the return of the 1 o'clock trip as it passes through the Coalport Bridge. '23 is our 40th anniversary unit. We started in 1983 as the Blue Mountain and Reading Railroad, and last year celebrated our 40th anniversary as the Reading Blue Mountain and Northern Railroad. And to celebrate, we painted this diesel in a special 40th anniversary paint scheme. This locomotive is a GP38-2 built by EMD in 1978 for Conrail. And it was Reading and Northern number 2016 until we renumbered it 2023. Our second catch today is the 3 o'clock train passing through the rock cut into Lehigh Gorge State Park. And this final clip is the return of the 3 o'clock train through Hetchels Curve. Number 2023 will be pulling our Lehigh Gorge Scenic Railway trains for the month of March 2024. So if you missed it this weekend, you have 4 other chances to come out here and catch it. And guess what you can also do? You can also take a cab ride in number 2023. There are 2 cab ride tickets available per trip, 3 trips a day departing at 11 o'clock, 1 o'clock, and 3 o'clock. I recommend buying your tickets in advance by calling our ticket office at 570-325-8485 or visiting our website www.lgsry.com. These cab ride tickets do tend to sell in advance, but you might get lucky if you stop by our ticket office the day of the ride, and one of our friendly ticket agents will be able to help you get those tickets. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you down the tracks.